Hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious keto cheesecake. That's the best keto blueberry cheesecake recipe using Ninja Foodi multi-cooker. You can use this keto blueberry cheesecake recipe for Instant Pot or for oven baking with slight adjustments. This keto cheesecake recipe is easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. For the keto cheesecake crust, you'll need 5 tablespoons of salted butter, 200 grams or around 2 cups of almonds or almond flour, and 1 teaspoon of erythritol and stevia sweetener mix. I used organic Natvia. It doesn't cause any digestive issues and doesn't have any aftertaste, unlike some other erythritol or stevia brands. For the cream filling, you'll need 360 grams or 12.8 ounces of cream cheese. I used 2 packs of original Philadelphia cream cheese, 300 milliliters or 1 cup of sour cream, 2/3 of a cup of erythritol and stevia mix, 2 eggs, a tiny pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for the blueberry topping, you'll need a half of a cup of blueberries. I used wild defrosted blueberries, 1 sheet of gelatin, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of erythritol and stevia mix, around a half of a cup of cold water for gelatin, and around a half of a cup or 1/3 of a cup of hot but not boiling water for melting the gelatin. And the equipment that you will need for this keto cheesecake is a Ninja Foodi multi-cooker, a round-shaped 6-inch cake tin with removable bottom, an electric hand mixer, some parchment paper, medium-sized mixing bowl, measuring cups and measuring spoons. And if you don't have any of these, check out the links in the description where you can order it from Amazon. And before starting to make this keto cheesecake, make sure all of your ingredients including cream cheese, eggs, and sour cream are room temperature. They should be out of the fridge for at least 30 minutes before cooking. Let's start with the cheesecake crust. Blend 2 cups of almonds. Add them into a mixing bowl. Then add 5 tablespoons of melted grass-fed butter. I used salted Kerrygold. And add 1 teaspoon of erythritol and stevia sweetener and mix well. Prepare a 6-inch cake tin with removable bottom. Cover the bottom with parchment paper. Then cover the bottom of the cake tin with almond crust. Flatten it up. Rub the excess grease from the hands to the sides of the tray. Put it in the freezer for around 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the creamy keto cheesecake filling. In a mixing bowl, add 360 grams or 12.8 ounces of cream cheese. I used 2 packs of original Philadelphia cream cheese. Each pack contains 180 grams. Then add 300 milliliters or 1 cup of sour cream. Add a 2/3 of a cup of erythritol and stevia mix. Add a tiny pinch of salt. Then add 2 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can start mixing your keto cheesecake filling. And I tried it, it tastes really good. Then mix it for a minute or 2 using an electric hand mixer. Mix it until well combined. You can remove your keto cheesecake crust from the freezer. Add the cheesecake filling on top. Then prepare your reversible rack. Add 1 cup of water to your Ninja Foodi cooking pot. Carefully place your cheesecake tin on top of the rack. Close the pressure lid. Make sure the valve is closed. Put it on the pressure cooking mode on high for 28 minutes. Alternatively, if you're using an oven, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 45 minutes until the center of the cheesecake is set and not too jiggly. And if you're using Ninja Foodi or Instant Pot, after 28 minutes, do a natural pressure release, meaning you don't open the valve yet, and let it count for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, carefully open, trying to avoid dripping any water on your cheesecake. There's gonna be some water accumulated on top of your cheesecake. Take a paper towel and carefully dry it out. Let your cheesecake cool down for around 30 minutes, then put it in the fridge. Start preparing your low-carb keto blueberry cheesecake topping. In a mixing bowl, add 1 sheet of gelatin. Cover it with cold water and leave it for around 5 minutes. Heat up around 1/3 of a cup or half of a cup of water, but don't let it boil. Remove the cold water from gelatin. Drain any excess water from gelatin. Then add hot water and mix well until the gelatin sheet is fully melted. Let it cool for a couple of minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of sweetener and a half of a cup of blueberries. Then crush some of the blueberries. Then take the cheesecake out of the fridge and add the topping. Spread the blueberries and the liquid equally. And this was supposed to be a gelatin blueberry layer, but it didn't work out as expected. And if you want this as a separate layer, I would advise you to give an extra hour for the cheesecake to cool down in the fridge before applying the topping. But if you don't mind both layers mixing up slightly, just do what I did. It's gonna turn out beautiful anyways. Then put your keto blueberry cheesecake back to the fridge and try to forget about it. Let it there for at least 6 hours, but preferably for 12 hours. I admit I waited only 6 hours and mine was not fully set in the middle. Then once the time comes, take your cheesecake out of the fridge. Place your cheesecake on top of a glass. Carefully slide the sides down. Then place your cheesecake on a plate. Carefully remove the bottom of the tin. Then carefully cut your first piece, cleaning the knife in between. This keto blueberry cheesecake makes around 6 pieces. And enjoy! If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.